Hello everybody, welcome back. I am the Exam Mastery host, your virtual guide to cybersecurity and the CompTIA CySA Plus journey. Whether you are prepping for the certification or are just curious about defending the digital world, you are in the right place. Every week we break down complex security topics into simple, actionable insights to help you grow as a cybersecurity analyst. Let's build your skills, boost your confidence, and stay ahead of threats together. If you find value here, consider subscribing and sharing your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing operational OT, ICS, and SCADA. So what is OT, ICS, and SCADA? IT, operational technology, right? Industrial control systems, systems that manage industrial processes, including SCADA. SCADA is supervisory control and data acquisition. ICS is industrial control systems. Operational technology, OT is operational technology. Why does this matter? Critical infrastructure systems underpin essential services like power, water, and transportation. High impact. Attacks can cause physical damage, safety risk, or service disruptions. Compliance aligns with standards like NIST 882, right? Real world examples, the Ukraine power grid attack in 2015. Unique challenges, OT, ICS, and SCADA. Legacy systems, real-time requirements, converged IT and OT, physical impact, limited downtime. So techniques, asset discovery, objectives, identify all OT, ICS, and SCADA devices, including programmable logic controllers, remote terminal units, and human-machine interfaces. Methods, passive scanning, Wireshark and Zeek. Active scanning with caution, use low-impact scans on non-critical systems. Nmap with gentle settings. Inventory tools, use operational technology tools like Clarity or Nozomi networks for asset discovery. Zeek identifies a programmable logic controller by analyzing Modbus traffic without sending probes. Network mapping, we have objectives and tools, right? To understand connectivity and dependencies. Mapping a SCADA network to identify an unsecured HMI connected to the internet. Vulnerability assessment, objective, identify vulnerabilities in OT, SCADA systems without causing disruption. Methods, passive vulnerability scanning, analyze traffic for known vulnerabilities, tenable operational intelligence. Check configurations, firmware versions or patch levels. Threat intelligence, tools, example, right? Configuration and patch analysis. Objective, verify secure configurations and patch status of operational technology devices. Methods, review device configuration for weak passwords or open ports. Check firmware, software versions against vendor advisories. Example, identify PLC with default credentials or outdated firmware tools. CyberX analyzes OT configurations for security gaps. ICS Cert Tools provides checklist for secure configurations. Network traffic analysis, monitor OT protocols, Modbus, DNP3 OPC for anomalies. Analyze traffic for unauthorized commands or unusual patterns. Detect a rogue device sending Modbus commands to a PLC. Then we have the different tools that we'd use. Risk assessment, prioritize risk based on criticality, exploitability, and impact. Steps, plan the assessment, discover assets, map the network, assess vulnerabilities, analyze traffic, prioritize risk, and document findings. Tools for OT, ICS, and SCADA security assessment. Asset discovery tools, vulnerability scanning tools, network monitoring tools and configuration analysis tools, and SIEM integration tools. Responding to assessment findings, we contain, we mitigate, we remediate, and we verify and we document these findings. Challenges in OT, we have system fragility. Legacy systems may crash during scans. Use passive scanning and manual reviews. Limited downtime, 24/7 operations restrict maintenance windows. Solution schedule assessments during planned outages. Lack of visibility. Operational technology networks may have undocumented devices. Use specialized operational technology discovery tools like Clarity. IoT and OT convergence. Mixed environments increase attack surfaces. Solution, segment IT and OT networks with firewalls. For the CySA Plus exam, focus on understanding OT, ICS, and SCADA systems and their security challenges. Use tools like Clarity, Nozomi, or Wireshark for assessments. Conducting low-impact vulnerability scans and traffic analysis. Responding to findings with mitigation and remediation steps. Pro tip, expect scenario-based questions like, how would you assess a SCADA system for vulnerabilities without causing disruption? Best practices, use passive methods, prioritize non-intrusive tools like Zeek or Clarity. Coordinate with OT teams, align assessments with operational schedules. Segment networks, isolate OT from IT to reduce risk. Leverage OT-specific tools like use Clarity, Nozomi, or Tenable OT for accuracy. Integrate threat intelligence references, ICS cert for OT vulnerabilities. Document thoroughly. Maintain records for compliance and audits. Conclusion: OT and ICS and SCADA security assessments are vital for protecting critical infrastructure from cyber threats. By mastering techniques, tool usage, and response strategies, you can secure these systems and excel in the CySA Plus exam. Thank you everybody for watching. This is going to be it for the OT, ICS, SCADA security assessment video. Please comment any questions or concerns below. I really look forward to looking at your comments, so please just drop a comment down below and join the conversation. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye.